Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by granting the app storage and wallpaper permissions so it can read videos and set backgrounds. Once done, pick your video source, gallery, cloud, or the app library, and import the clip. You should trim and crop now to match your screen aspect ratio. Make sure to choose 16, 9, or a custom crop so motion frames align. This first pass prevents stretching and saves time in later steps, and it readies your clip for quality adjustments. Next, fine-tune how the wallpaper runs. You want to set resolution and frame rate, pick 1080p at 30 FPS for balance, or lower to extend battery life, and choose a loop mode and playback speed that feel natural. Make sure to mute the video if you do not want audio playing. Then, position and scale the clip on the preview canvas. Once you preview on home and lock screens, adjust alignment so important content isn't cut off when widgets or icons are present. Finally, apply the wallpaper to your home and lock screens and test by navigating across pages and rotating the device if supported. Make sure battery-friendly mode is enabled or set the app to not run when low power is active to avoid drain. If the wallpaper doesn't update, clear the app cache and re-import the video. If problems persist, restart the device and reapply. One key troubleshooting tip: re-encode the video to a standard MP4H 264 profile if the app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.